Hi, Feroz. We're about to watch a movie, but my mom didn't want to make popcorn on the stove. So we searched up online how to make popcorn on a paper bag, and it's so easy. And you can't believe how it turns out. Okay, now.
All right, let's do it. Let's show them. Okay, so you take it away. Show us how you do it.
So this box basically has a lift thing, and then there's a hole in it, so you can pour the kernels and you see the kernels.
So, tell everyone about your name tags. Why do you put name tags on?
The pillows.
For our movie setup where people were sitting?
Yep. Yeah. I'm sitting on the side of the couch, Phoebe. My sister Phoebe sitting on the side of the couch, and Mommy's sitting in the middle of the couch.
Cool.
All right. Here we go. I'm going to pour it halfway.
Just a second, bud. I'd rather you take it actually like we did before, because it might be a mess that way.
Okay.
So how about we just take the cover off. Sissy, do you want a spoon, please? Measuring cup? So it's a third of a cup.
So it's a third of a cup, and we're going to put this in and scoop it all the way to the top.
What kind of popcorn is that?
I don't know.
That's what we use. Good.
Yeah. And then we're going to scoop it to the top. Put it in the paper bag.
And where'd you get your paper bag?
For my 6th birthday party.
This from a birthday party from one of your friends?
Nope.
Yeah. We just, okie dokie. That's all right. Kitty cat, get it? All right, now just so we don't empty this.
Instant replay.
Phoebe, do you want to put yours in a different bag?
Yeah.
We'll do that in a minute, or you can put it in. Phoebe can put it in a special little. Mommy, find something quick. A looky. Phoebe can put it in that. That is special. Good job, Phoebe.
And then we're gonna put it in the microwave for how?
What do you do with the top?
Do
you remember what Mommy did?
No. Close it. Fold it.
Fold it over 2 times. Yep.
Fold it over 2 times. And I have this
for movie time. Yeah, you do.
That's secret.
Okay, I'm gonna pause for a second.
My mom folded it 2 times, and now we're gonna do 2 times now, and then now we're gonna do 2, 0, 0, and press start.
Oh no, honey, you gotta put the bag in the microwave first.
Oh, never mind.
Hun, just there you go.
So then you put the paper bag in first. Close it. 2, 0, 0, start. You're gonna start doing your popping.
Can you grab Sissy, can you pass that to Robbie, please?
I'm not cleaning that up.
Well, you just... So now, while we're waiting, you guys, let's see how fast we can sweep up the kernels.
That's cookies. That badass. That goody badass.
So what do you have in your bag?
Popcorn.
Popcorn, eh? You sure?
Popcorn.
Oh my word. Let's dump it in the bag and see how much there is. Or in the bowl. Come on.
Wait. 3, 2, 1.
Dump her right in there. Not many leftover kernels either. It's not burnt. It's so good.
Hey.
And there you go.
Thanks.
So easy, isn't it, Finn?
Yep. So easy as can be easy. Yes, my sister.